quick overview of my homework for CS50AI called PageRank. I thought I'd just give you an overview of the directory so you can see how this works. So there are three corpora, so corpus 0, corpus 1, corpus 2. Each one contains HTML files, and in each HTML file there are links to other HTML files. So for example, HTML file 1 might link to file 3, or file 3 and file 4. And so what PageRank does is it ranks the probability of landing on any of these HTML pages to sort of simulate how Google chooses which web pages to prioritize when you search. And so let's just open this up. So you can see this is the Python file. Now we'll run it with the argument corpus 0. So that's the first corpus here, and it's got these 4 HTML files. So you can see the Python program does two things to find the page rank for each HTML page. So the sampling result represents a Markov chain where you basically go from one page to another through the links, and then you do that 10,000 times, and so this is the result of basically 10,000 samples where 42% of the time it went to page 2, 21% of the time it went to page 1, and so that adds it cumulatively. And at the bottom here we have the results from iteration, which are more reliable. So with that, you're using a iterative algorithm to calculate the probability of landing on any page. So this is more accurate. So let's just run that again. Actually, you can see the results change for the sampling, because the sampling is more open to randomness. So here we can see the iterative results did not change, but the sample results did change, because, as I just said, there's much more randomness involved, because you're just taking 10,000 samples and just going, the program goes back and forth between the pages and just adds this up. So let's do this on corpus 1 now. Okay, and now on corpus 2, which is the last one. And one thing you can notice here is that there are many more HTML files in corpus 2. So even though the sample is large, the divergence between the more accurate iterative results and the less accurate sampling results, that divergence increases, as opposed to when you just have 4 files. You see these results are not too far off. But again, when you increase the number of HTML files, the sampling, and you don't increase the amount of sampling, you'll get more divergence there. So that is PageRank. Thank you for watching.